this is what we will need for today's project. You will need 2 head pins, 4 bead caps, 2 spacer beads, 2 beads of some sort. I choose black faceted beads, 2 ear hooks, and I have 2 snake charms and 2 turquoise skulls. Cut the head off the head pin. You make the loop. Like that. You open the loop. And you put the snake on. Then you close the loop. Like that. And this head pin was not very straight, so I'm flattening out with my flat nose plier. I do that by squeezing a bit and moving a couple of millimeters so it will straighten it up. Don't have to do all the way because it's not going to go all the way. After that, I use this activator for super glue. This is Loctite. Oh, need to straighten the loop out, I see. Like that. Then you just brush this activator on where you want the glue to be. And I'm going to glue the skull on the head pin so it will be face forward. There's the lid. Like that. And then I use the super glue for plastic. I put a little dab of glue on the front. And to the back. Like that. And then I put the bead on and make sure that it's facing forward. And I hold it for 20 seconds. Now, when the skull is glued on the head pin, I will put the spacer bead on. Looks like a little crown, and then a bead cap, and my glass bead, and the second bead cap. No, the wrong way. Upside down. Like that. And then I have to adjust the length on the head pin because now we're going to make a second loop. Like that. And after that, I want to make sure that the loop is going the right direction so that the skull will be face forward. So the loop is going that way. First I bend the pin forward and then I make the loop. Oh, Jesus. If you don't get it quite straight as you want, you can just hold it and then turn it around so that it will be straight. And now you have to open your loop to be able to put the ear hook on. And put it on the right way so you won't get it the wrong way. And then you close it like that. There you go. Now you got some cool earrings. Like that. With skulls and snakes. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.